Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to take you through a step-by-step process of how to reinstate or unsuspend your permanently suspended Twitter account. So you may have something like this. Your account is permanently suspended. After a careful review, we determined your account broke the Twitter rules. Your account is permanently in read-only mode, which means you can't tweet, retweet, or like comment. You won't be able to create new accounts. If you think we got this wrong, you can hashtag this, and all that. Now, for some of you, you may be able to click the link and it will open. But when I click the link, this is what I get. You see, so you may, if you get something like this, you can come to this site. This is a link where you read about why they suspend account and how to get your account unsuspended. So I will leave this link in the description for you to read so that you can understand what probably caused your account to be suspended and how to get it unsuspended. In fact, for my account, it has been there. I've never even posted anything on it. So I don't even know what I have done to break their rules. Maybe if it is because I have been dormant, my account has been dormant for a long time, fine. But for them to say that I've broke their rules, it doesn't make sense to me because I have not really posted anything on this account or anything that will violate their policies. So if you read here about suspended accounts, we are committed to moderating the public conversation and creating a safe environment for everyone on Twitter. We may suspend accounts that violate the Twitter rules. And so when you click on Twitter rules, you see all the policies. Before that, let's go. Why might my Twitter account be suspended? Learn more about some of the reasons. Spam. Most of the accounts we suspend are suspended because they are spammy or just plain fake, and they introduce security risks to Twitter and for everyone using Twitter. These type of accounts are against our Twitter rules. Sometimes a real person account gets suspended by mistake. And in those cases, we will work with the person to make sure the account is unsuspended account. So if you take time to read all, you may see that maybe you probably didn't violate the policy. As they're saying how to unsuspend your account, if you think your account was mistakenly suspended, you may be able to unsuspend it. Take steps to unsuspend your account. If you log in and see prompt, then that asks you to provide a phone number or confirm your email address. Follow the instructions to get your account unsuspended. So you take time, fill those informations. If you do all that and you are still not getting any better results, then you can file an appeal. So when you click on file an appeal, you will come to this place where we can appeal. So in fact, we can also contact them if that is what we want to do. We can also contact the Twitter, their support. But for this one, I am not interested in even contacting their support. I want to do the appeal straight away. Okay, so let's go back to okay, so we can come back here, click on file and appeal. Okay, so I can put, so make sure you put your email, then put your correct username, then describe in detail. So what I am saying is that I've taken time to read the Twitter rules and policies. So first of all, I have to say my Twitter account is suspended. My Twitter account is suspended. I've taken time to read all the Twitter rules and policies as stipulated in this, and I can see I haven't violated any of them. I am extra sure this would be a mistake. Please review my account in detail and unsuspend my account. So you submit. They are saying we may need to make sure that you are a real person. So they should authenticate. Use arrows to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. Okay. Good. So I think it is in the direction. Okay. So thank you. We have received your request. We'll review and take further action if appropriate. In some cases, we may send an email with more information to the address you provided. Please check your trust or spam folders to avoid missing the communication. So normally it takes at least 2 business days or 48 hours, and then we will get a response from their team, or in some cases, it can take up to a week. So we just have to wait and then hear a response from them when the review is complete. So remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. For those of you who may want to, you want us to help you get your advertising access back. Maybe you have Facebook or Instagram account that is suspended, or your Twitter account is suspended. You can contact us, follow the links in the description to WhatsApp us. You can also book for us. You can follow the links to and also contact us, book for us to have a Zoom meeting with you to assess your problem and to help you. And then you can also leave your comments in the description. We will follow up to make sure that we help you get a solution to the problem you are facing. Thank you, and then have a great day.